DPF emulator installation in Hitachi ZX290 Series 5. Locate the differential pressure sensor plug and disconnect it. Connect the 3-pin plug from the emulator's wiring harness in direction of the ECU. Locate the 2 DPF temperature sensor plugs and disconnect them. Connect the plug with the green cables from the emulator's wiring harness into the first temperature sensor. In direction of the ECU, connect the emulator's plug with the yellow wires, right in the place of the disconnected temperature sensor. Disconnect the second temperature sensor and connect the plug from the emulator's wiring harness with the white cables in direction of the ECU. In case of a weak connectors, additional grounding may be required. In that case, we have used the machine's bodywork as a ground.